We are in the Manila Hotel, the very first premier hotel in the Philippines. And in this video, you will know if it's still worth it to stay here.
The hotel lobby looks grand and luxurious. They also have a pianist playing the piano for all the guests. It's a little bit old school, but again, this is the oldest luxury hotel in the Philippines. We booked a room for 8,500 pesos. That's on Agoda. The bathroom is spacious. The toilet is pretty modern. It has its own bidet. The room also comes with a bathtub. Water pressure is really nice. You will also have a safe, which I don't recommend to use it, and your own mini fridge, king size bed, and a very spacious room, and also a smart TV. It also comes with a workstation, and the only thing that I can say bad about the room is the AC. I think it's just lacking.
Pool area right here and the sea, the Manila Bay. So pool area here, Manila Bay over there. Oh, this is nice. And I think it's pretty crowded for a 5-star hotel. Look at that. There's a lot of people now. Maybe it's because it's Saturday right now. It's a weekend. And tomorrow is going to be Mother's Day, Sunday. So that's why maybe there's a lot of people. A bar near the pool or in the middle of the pool, it's a huge plus. As I was walking by in this skywalk here, going down to the pool area, the smell of the sea of Manila Bay hit me. And it's not pleasant, guys. It's not pleasant at all. That's because Manila Bay is pretty much polluted today. Although the government is doing something about it, the smell is still here. Not good. Oh, that's nice. It's actually nice. The light effect and everything with the pool. And just in front of the pool, we found the gym. The gym is surprisingly complete. I'm definitely going to work out later tonight. Maybe tomorrow morning as well. I'm going to maximize that gym. I love the lighting. Look at the lighting here. There's a bar. It closes 10 p.m. The pool closes at 10 p.m. The gym closes at 10 p.m.
And this is the tap room. This is the oldest bar in Manila. But unfortunately, when we were here, it was election time, so we cannot buy any alcohol. We bought coffee instead, and it was good.
Good morning, and now it's time for breakfast. And they said that the Manila Hotel got one of the best breakfasts here in the Philippines.
We definitely have a lot of options in the breakfast buffet. They have American, Chinese, Japanese, Filipino, whatever it is, they have it. But for the quality and the taste, it was just okay. And for 2,000 pesos, I don't think it's worth it. But that's just me. And let me know what you think. They also have a sauna in the hotel, but no hot tub. It gets pretty busy on the weekends. And the lunch buffet, it's much more better than the breakfast buffet. And this costs 3,000 pesos on weekdays and 3,200 pesos on the weekends. I know that it's a little steep, but for the quality, the options, and the taste of the food for lunch buffet, it's just worth it. So, what do you think about the Manila Hotel? Is it still worth it to stay here? Let me know in the comment section. And for me, I think it's still worth it, mainly for the experience of staying in the first premier hotel in the Philippines. So that's it for this vlog, and I hope that you will give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel so that you can go with me next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.